to part 4, I think it is, of the 4-cylinder to 6-cylinder swap. That Jeep over there. Today we finally got the starter, spark plug wires, spark plugs, ignition coil, and the radiator. And we got what seems to be the right harness for it. So let's get all that thrown in here and see what we can come up with. So the head on this motor is from a newer motor, and it's got the newer injectors on it, and what is it, like EV1 and EV6 or something like that is the difference. So I bought these conversion plugs that makes it super easy. Just plug and play. I install those now. So with this head being newer and this bracket being from a different year Jeep, I can't get this injector connector to the injector, which is right there. This thing's in the way, this little piece of the bracket, and it doesn't bolt to anything, so I'm just gonna cut this off. Hopefully it'll fit then. We'll see. Alright, I got the bracket cut. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot more room now. And it's connected, so coochie. Alright, so I got the starter installed way down there. Also cap and rotor, spark plug wire, spark plug. Had to make my own ignition coil bracket because this motor didn't have one. Got oil in it, coolant in it. Let's see if she fires up.